My name is Nayan Kumar Rameshandra sir. Today we are going to teach or learn main or important parts of the set. That is subset and interval as a subset of R. R means irrational number. So first of all, subset. A, that is not set. A set means any set. That is A is said to be subset of B if every element of set A, means here set A, is also an element of set B. Means if you are going to do that things, that set A is equal to 1, 2, 4 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then it is said to be A is said to be subset of B. If some element in general form, the element of set A is A belongs to small a, which implies, that is for single side arrow, A is also element of B. Now in this case, means if A subset B, first point, then A is called proper set of B and B is called superset of A. Means here by example, point number 2, A is equal to, we are taking element 1, 2, 4, that is number of element inside A is 3. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means number of element of set B is 5. That is known as A subset B. In this condition, here the element of set A is always less than or equal to set B. We see this thing for the general or standard sets. That is set of n is natural number, W means whole number, Z is integers, Q is rational number and R is irrational number. So in lower standard we study that n is, that is every element of n is also element of set W. Set W, that is whole number, is also in the element of integers. All the sets of integers is also in rational number and every rational number is known as in irrational number. We cannot go reverse. So we say that n is subset of W, n is subset of Z, n is subset of Q, n is subset of R. Like that way, all this we have to fulfill. Now in this condition, when A is subset of B and B is subset of A, both the side implies, that is known as, both the side means we shift from left hand side to right hand side and right hand side to left hand side, is known as A is equal to B. Here we are taking that A is equal to 1, 2, 4. These are known as in listing method. This is known as listing method, and in property method this is known as x such that x belongs to n, all factors of 4. So all factors of 4 means 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now interval. Interval as a subset of R. So let me consider two elements, that is in general form A and B belongs to R. Here the condition is that A is smaller than B. Otherwise A is equal to B. So if we start from open interval. Open interval means Y. So value of Y is greater than A but less than B. It is denoted by small bracket. So here on the number line we have to say that the element A and element B is not included. So if we say that 3 and 99, so here in this case 3 is not included, but 3.1, 3.2, up to we included 98.99999 going on. So here the element 3 and 99 is not included. Now second element, close interval, Y. Here, see here only greater, here greater than or equal to, value of A is greater than or equal to Y. But what is the value of Y? It is less than or equal to B. It is denoted by square bracket or rectangle bracket AB. So here that is A and B. So both the boundary element is included. Means here we start from 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 up to so on. We are going up to 88, 89, 89.9, 89.99, 89.99, and at last 99. Means both the boundary point, lower as well as upper, is included. After that, open close interval. Means x. Instead of y, we take any value, that is x variable. So value of a is greater than x, but value of x is less than or equal to b. That is known as small bracket and rectangle. So what do you mean by here? The element a is not included, but greater than a is included, and up to b is also included. So here 3 and 99, again we are taking same example. So 3 is not included, but 3.1, 3.2. So here mentioned that more than 3 and equal to 99. Means what do you mean by here? The element of 4, 5, 6 up to 88, 89, 89.1, 89.2 up to 99. And fourth interval, that is close and open interval, x such that value of x is greater than or equal to a but less than b. It is denoted by rectangle bracket a and small bracket b. So here the element a is included and we have to go up to so on, but the element b is not included. So here that is 3, 3.1, 3.2 up to so on 88.9999, but 99 is not included. Thank you for watching this video.